Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to this tutorial on Google Colab. In this first chapter, we'll learn what Google Colab and why it's useful for data analysis. And finally, how to get started. By the end of this lesson, we'll feel confident to open our first notebook and begin exploring data in the cloud. So what is Google Colab? Google Colab is a free platform provided by the Google for the data analysis in Python. Google gives us a good opportunity because we don't need to install anything. We don't need a powerful computer. It's mainly popular for data science, machine learning, and data analysis project. So, first of all, we have to go to Google and type Google Colab. Then we'll get this type of item and we have to click here. So we'll get two buttons. One is open and other is new. Since we are new and we will the new work, then we have to click open new. Otherwise, if we have some work, then we have to go to the open. So we have many work, so we don't need to click here. Since we are new, so we'll click here. We need a good internet connection as well. So this is the Google Colab window. So when we'll open this windows, first we have to rename our project. We can give any name. For example, my study, then enter. We don't need to save anything. It will be saved automatically. So please pause the video and open the Google Colab. Okay. So in the comment section, there are two buttons. One is code and one is text. Code will be used for writing the Python code, and text will be used to give some title. For example, text, and we'll give the introduction, for example. Then code. So first code, for example, print hello friends. For example, hello friends. Then hello friends is a string variable. So we use the inverted comma. So we'll discuss the type of data later. If we click here, hey, hello friend. If we print 50, we don't need to invite comma since it is the numeric. So click here. Yes. So dear learner, please pause the video and practice. This is the first practice. So if you would like to work in Python using Google Colab, you have to practice like the for simple work. Some people tell that that code is very complex. This is my work. I have used the deep learning method for tabular data. Some people tell that this is very complex code. No, it's not true. We don't need to memorize any code. All types of code will get from Google. This is the great opportunity. If we can utilize this opportunity, we can analyze data using machine learning technique, deep learning, neural network. and we can publish paper in any journal. All journal will accept our work. This is the great advantage and beauty of the Google Colab. So I'm requesting please practice, start yourself. Then we'll discuss variable type in the next session. Thank you very much.